All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about how to find the mileage on your Tesla. 1. Tesla dashboard. The quickest way to check your Tesla's mileage is right on the car's dashboard. When you're in the car, simply look at the main screen. Your total mileage will be displayed under the trip section, showing the total distance the car has driven. 2. Tesla app. You can also check the mileage remotely through the Tesla app on your phone. Open the app, select your vehicle, and it will show you your car's current mileage along with other useful stats. 3. Energy consumption screen. If you want to see your mileage in relation to energy usage, go to the Energy tab on your car's screen. It gives a more detailed breakdown of how much energy you're using per mile, giving you insights into efficiency. 4. Service Center or Tesla website. If you need more detailed history or records of your mileage, you can reach out to your Tesla Service Center or check your car's records through your Tesla account online. So, whether you're inside the car, using the app, or online, finding your Tesla's mileage is simple and accessible. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.